age spots, those small dark discolorations that suddenly appear on your hands, face, or arms as you get older. Most people think they're just an inevitable part of aging and spend hundreds of dollars on expensive lightening creams or even laser treatments to get rid of them. But what if I told you that almost everyone has something sitting in their medicine cabinet right now that can have an incredible effect on age spots in just 10 minutes? And I'm talking about something you'd never suspect. It's aspirin. Yes, exactly. That simple painkiller tablet you take for headaches contains a seriously underestimated miracle cure for your skin. And when you hear how this actually works, you're going to wonder why dermatologists don't talk about this more. Here's the thing. Aspirin contains acetylsalicylic acid, which belongs to a group of compounds called salicylates, and these deliver incredible skin-renewing and exfoliating properties. Skincare companies have used salicylic acid for decades in products for acne, blackheads, and pigmentation disorders because it removes dead skin cells and promotes cell renewal. And this is exactly what makes it so powerful against age spots. It gently removes those upper layers of skin where the discoloration sits, and your complexion becomes brighter, more even, and younger looking almost immediately. Now, before you run to grab aspirin from your cabinet, you need to know the exact way to prepare this, because if you do it wrong, it won't work nearly as well. All you need is 2 aspirin tablets and a little bit of water or lemon juice. Crush the tablets thoroughly with a spoon or mortar until you have a fine powder. Then add the water or lemon juice drop by drop. And here's the key. Lemon juice gives you a stronger effect, but it's also more intense. Keep adding liquid until you get a spreadable paste, but be careful because the mixture shouldn't be too runny, or it won't stick to your skin properly. Once you've got the perfect consistency, clean your skin thoroughly before applying the paste to the age spots. Use a cotton swab or your finger and apply only a thin layer, making sure to avoid contact with sensitive skin or exposed areas. And then, all you have to do is leave it on for just 10 minutes. During this short time, the acetylsalicylic acid starts working its magic. It dissolves old skin cells, reduces mild calluses, and initiates regenerative processes right there under the surface. After the time passes, rinse the paste off thoroughly with lukewarm water. And here's what's amazing. You'll notice that the treated skin area feels smoother, looks fresher, and you can already see the first signs of lightening after just one application. Regular use, about 2 to 3 times per week, intensifies the effect dramatically. And at the same time, this micro-exfoliation makes your skin more receptive to nourishing ingredients like vitamin C or aloe vera, which amplifies the effect even more. Now here's a crucial tip. If you have particularly sensitive skin, test the paste first on a small inconspicuous area because the slightly acidic effect can cause irritation in rare cases, although normal skin tolerates it well. And here's an insider secret that makes this even better. Combining it with a drop of honey makes the paste gentler and more nourishing, perfect for mature skin types. So, there you have it, the aspirin miracle that's been hiding in plain sight this entire time. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who needs to see it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.